G'day. Okay, we're going to tear down the Sunbeam Frother. EMO 180 is the model number, and that's the frothing disc. It's all fairly self-explanatory. I don't think there's any real usable parts inside, but we'll find out. These require a slotted screw. So this is obviously the Australian version, but there is an American version under a different name. Okay, so first look inside. Got to remember where all the screws go. Okay, this all comes out. Nice. And we got the buttons there. Right, let's have a look. So I have a transformer here, which will go through some rectification in here. There's also some what look to be relays here. So that's for controlling the heating element. And we got the brains, which will set the timer. We have a micro switch here, so you might have thought that that was the on-off, but it's that one. This is the heat control, so it's like a thermostat. I'd reckon that was a safety thermal fuse. Here's your heating element. I won't take it more apart because I'm not sure about the sealing here. And this I don't know. It's obviously connected to the brains, and yeah, it's a weird one. This is the motor, obviously. Looks to be DC, and it will have a magnet attached to it. Yeah, this is a confusing one there. If anyone has any thoughts, then tell me in the comments. It's spring loaded, but it's a very weak spring. Interesting. So, just a nice quick one, and I'll catch you later.